How do I get attention in the world today, which is difficult? And then once I get that attention, how do I monetize it?
Yeah.
Because that's the world we now live in.
Forget the court case for a second and listen to this, especially if you want to start an online business or affiliate marketing.
Rihanna, when she launches a makeup brand, no one buys it because of the makeup. They buy it because it's Rihanna. She has attention. She can monetize it any way she chooses. Rihanna can launch a fucking clothing brand, makeup, sofas. Who cares? It's Rihanna.
Attention is very powerful in the world we now live in, and it can help you earn money much more quicker.
That proves that we now live in an economy, we live in a world where the most valuable currency, the most valuable thing that exists is attention. It's extremely difficult to get because people's attention spans are lower than ever.
Remember this when gurus tell you to start affiliate marketing because it's easy. Without any attention, you won't get anywhere.
Bro, they're non-existent. Have you ever watched someone on TikTok? Next time someone's on TikTok, watch them. How long do they give a video to interest them? If you don't get my attention in 0.25 seconds, I'm not interested, right? That's how hard it is now.
You have to be very fast to grab someone's attention and actually keep them focused.
And it's getting harder and harder because the apps and the algorithms are retraining our brains to do that. So now we live in a world where if you can find a way to hack these algorithms and you can find a way to get attention, then you can find a way to monetize it. And off the back of that, you can become a very, very wealthy individual.
This is why I wanted to show you this video. One of the secrets to making a lot of money is attention. It's easier said than done, but it's the truth.
See, this is where for me, it's, as you say that, it's clicking more and more in my head with Hustlers University, realizing that, you know, to monetization and attention syncs together.
Yep.
That's why there's so many clips of Andrew Tate on TikTok.
Now this is where Andrew Tate harnessed the power of attention through Hustlers University, and they'll explain in a second.
Basically, we were discussing the fact that if you join Hustlers University, one of the things that you teach us to do, I don't know if you allow me to say it, is affiliate marketing, right?
Yep.
So one of the things that people can do is get a referral code for someone else to join Hustlers University. And that's why they're making TikToks, because if you check the pinned comment on there, it says join Hustlers University with this referral code.
Correct.
So people who joined Hustlers University got their own referral code to be able to use for affiliate marketing.
If you're going to follow the path that your parents followed, you're not going to ever become rich. You need modern ways to make money, modern wealth creation. And one of them is monetizing attention. There's a 16-year-old kid making 45 grand a month.
Check out the look on his face. 45 grand a month seems too good to be true for a 16-year-old. So there might be some lies here and there, but the message is still good.
You say, okay, how do I get attention? I'm 16. I'm not a flawless orator. I don't have a life or life experiences which are interesting enough to be used in a podcast, which are going to ever allow people to pay attention to me. But Tate does. So let me go and find all of Tate's old stuff. Let me chop it up. Let me make a TikTok for Tate. That gets attention.
This is a good way to start getting some attention by using other people's influence. Since Hustlers University is owned by Tate, it would make sense to do TikToks on him to sell his courses for a commission.
Attention. Now people are on my page. How do I monetize it? Well, I can take my referral link. I'm in HU. Here, they can sign up, get 50% off my link. Boom. So he's taking attention, the attention that I generated. All he's done is chop up some TikTok clicks, monetized it, and he's making 45 grand a month, do 16.
That's why Tate was able to take over TikTok. Loads of people were flooding TikTok with Tate videos for affiliate marketing.
It's crazy. So there's so much money that can be made, but you have to find a way to get attention in the first place, right? That's the hard part. And if you look at a lot of companies, so many of them have huge profit margins, but they have to spend all their money on advertising to sell any product, and then the margin gets wrecked because they have to get attention the old-fashioned way, which is advertising.
He's right. I own an online local business, and most of the attention is generated from ads. Without ads, it's much harder to get sales.
That is the only hurdle between being broke and being a billionaire. Attention. How do you get it without embarrassing yourself and being a jackass? Because no one buys from a clown.
Love him or hate him, he actually makes some good points. What do you think about this? How do you get attention when you're just starting out? Leave a comment down below and tell me what you think. Thank you for watching, and like and subscribe to keep updated with all new videos to come. See you.